Hey Diabesties, it's Mila here, your board-certified health coach, nutritionist, and someone who knows the blood sugar roller coaster all too well. If you've ever asked yourself, is tofu okay for diabetics? You're in the right spot. Today we're talking about tofu and diabetes, and whether this plant-based protein deserves a spot on your plate. Spoiler alert, it kinda does. Let's get into it. First, real quick refresher, what exactly is diabetes? Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects how your body turns food into energy. The most common types are type 1, type 2, and gestational diabetes. In simple terms, when you have diabetes, your body either doesn't make enough insulin or can't use it properly, which causes your blood sugar to rise. That's why what you eat, especially carbohydrates and protein, matters so much. Tofu is made from soybeans. It's minimally processed, naturally gluten-free, and is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. A 3.5-ounce serving, about 100 grams of firm tofu has about 17 grams of plant-based protein, 2 grams of carbs, yes, just 2, less than 1 gram of sugar, iron, calcium, magnesium, zinc, and vitamin B1. This makes tofu a goldmine for folks managing diabetes who want high-protein, low-carb foods that help with glycemic control. Now the big question, is tofu good for people with diabetes? Yes, tofu is one of the best proteins for diabetics. It has a very low glycemic index and doesn't cause major blood sugar spikes. It's also high in isoflavones, a type of antioxidant, which may help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. One study even suggested that regular soy consumption is linked to better cardiovascular health in people with type 2 diabetes. And since heart health and diabetes are closely connected, that's a win-win. Now I hear this a lot. Is tofu better than chicken for diabetics? Honestly, they both have benefits. Chicken is great if you're looking for a lean, familiar protein, but tofu has the added perks of fiber, antioxidants, and lower saturated fat. So if you're going plant-based or want to reduce inflammation and support heart health, tofu is a fabulous option. Okay, so how do you actually cook with tofu without it tasting like a sponge? A few tips. Always press your tofu to remove extra water. Marinate it for flavor. Think soy sauce, ginger, garlic, or sesame oil. Try pan-searing, baking, or air frying for a crispy outside. Need recipe inspo? Try tofu stir-fry with lots of non-starchy veggies. Tofu and kimchi bowl for gut health. Or a scrambled tofu breakfast taco with avocado and black beans. All of these are balanced, blood sugar friendly, and seriously satisfying. Of course, tofu isn't for everyone. If you have a soy allergy, skip it. Also, while moderate soy intake is safe and even beneficial for most, too much can interfere with thyroid function or hormone-sensitive conditions. So, talk with your provider if you're unsure. Moderation and variety are key, like with anything else in a healthy diabetes diet. So is tofu a healthy choice for diabetes? It's high in protein, low in carbs, packed with nutrients, and supports blood sugar balance. If you haven't given tofu a chance yet, this might be your sign. And if you're already a tofu fan, tell me your favorite way to cook it in the comments. Don't forget to join our free glucose guide community if you're on the road to better blood sugars. We've got recipes, coaching, and so much support. Download the app on iOS or Google Play, and I'll see you there. Stay balanced, stay kind to yourself, and I'll catch you next time.